is a diesel emissions fluid spray nozzle. They are in Sprinters and Land Rovers and BMWs and anything that's got a diesel with the diesel emissions fluid. It's going to have one of these nozzles. Now this particular nozzle, as you can see on the end of it, it's all corroded and all plugged up, and this right here, it sets codes for NOx sensors and different things. So these need to be replaced quite often. Sometimes not only these need to be replaced, sometimes the fluid also needs to be replaced because it goes bad. We have a tester for that also. But anyway, yeah, so this is a DF nozzle that squirts the diesel emissions fluid into the system, and basically what it does is it takes all the black soot out of the diesels. So that's why a lot of diesel trucks nowadays, when you see them, unless they've been modified, they really don't have a lot of black smoke coming out of them anymore. This is